I'm Tim Leigh, I'm the Sales and Marketing Director here at Stage 1. I come from a family of engineers and carpenters. My dad was a civil engineer and is superb at understanding how stuff works. And as a boy growing up, I was always in the garage fixing things and trying to build things. And so it's great to come here and actually do that for a living. So I joined Stage 1 in 2013. It was a really exciting time in my career. I arrived and I guess in many respects I was just startled by the breadth of capability that we had here. So my role has evolved quite a lot, I guess, in the 5.5 years that I've been here. I first joined with the title of Client Services Director, but I soon after that became Sales and Marketing Director. I guess I've learned quite a lot about all the facets of our business, and I do get involved in projects on site, which I like. I do get involved in some of the R&D, and I also get involved in helping steer the direction of the business. It's so easy to stand up and talk about Stage 1. It's something I enjoy doing just because visually the stuff we have to show is astonishing, and it's not just projects in the UK but projects all over the world in far-flung places that people only ever dream of going, and that of itself provides an interesting narrative in terms of where we end up. We do end up in some fairly hair-raising scrapes, but that's all part of the story. That's part of the richness, the part of belonging at Stage 1. The most memorable wow moment was when the scaffold came down at the Hive in Milan in 2015. All we've been seeing were thousands upon thousands upon thousands of parts coming out from the metal shop. So I'd seen it in kit form. I'd seen views of the structure being built inside the scaffold. I'd even been on site and been close up to it. But it was only really when the scaffold came down that the beauty was revealed. And I felt a mixture of pride, relief, and satisfaction really that this humble company in Tockwith had created something that was then on a global stage and was really magnificent.